Our most requested story online today is the ongoing crackdown on Muslim Brotherhood supporters in Egypt. On the sidelines of the besieged sit-in, social media users shared gruesome images from hospitals around Cairo's Rabat Square, seen here. Independent journalist Sharif Kudus posted this YouTube video showing the scene at Rabat Medical Center, where wounded protesters were treated. Elsewhere in Rabat, a makeshift field hospital set up a live stream, which I'm playing on my computer now, to show the extent of injuries sustained when security forces pushed out supporters of deposed President Mohamed Morsi. The field hospital's Twitter account, Rabat Hospital, sent out calls for surgeons and posted photos on Facebook showing casualties lining the halls. Al Jazeera's Dee Parvez tweeted photos from yet another makeshift hospital inside a nearby mosque. Now, as updates poured out of Cairo's hospitals, netizens amplified the news. Hashtag Rabat trended globally as residents shared reports from the streets. Web users retweeted this message from Alex Ortiz more than 250 times. We saw a bloodbath inside the Rabat Field Hospital. Every floor has a constant stream of dead and wounded, nearly all from gunshot wounds. But for more on the situation in Egypt, head to Al Jazeera's website, where you'll find a map of key locations for pro-Morsi protesters in Cairo, and our live blog with the latest from our correspondents on the ground. And as always, your story ideas could end up on tomorrow's leads. Tweet us your pitch with hashtag AJStream. Femi?